Good day guys, welcome back to my channel Ramix vlog. In this episode I will make tutorial. I will give 5 mistakes to avoid to do this your plants. Please watch my full tutorial on until the end of my video, thank you.
So let's start our plant care and tips.
First,
Avoid direct sunlight. Second, avoid overwatering.
third, don't put water at the top of leaves. Fourth, don't use soil sticky. Fifth, don't put plant without light. Plant will not grow. Keep our plant in bright light so that our plant growing faster. See our plant blooming. If soil dried already, give them water. Make sure the water direct to the soil. Guys, please help me to grow my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe Ramix vlog. See the water how fast going out, because soil mixture is fast drainage. Now, I will show you on how to repotting our Epicia Cupreata and save our plant before die. Hopefully you enjoying my tutorial. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.